Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up an online dynasty in College Football 27. So setting up an online dynasty is really easy. First, from the main menu we need to go to dynasty and then select start option to start our new dynasty. So the most important option while creating an online dynasty is this option, which is Cloud Dynasty. If you keep this option to off, then you won't be able to play with your friends, you won't be able to access team builder features, and you also can't access the crossplay option as well. So that's why keep the Cloud Dynasty option to on, then choose your roster. If you want active roster, then set this option to on, or you can just keep it off if you want, and then just select continue to move further. In the next step, we can adjust the dynasty settings, import team, or you can use custom conferences. So let's say I want to change my difficulty, then for that I just need to go to dynasty settings. Under it I can adjust skill level, or I can just go through all of these options and set up the settings for my dynasty. Also, you can use custom team if you have any. You can just go to import team builder and then replace the team with one of your custom team. After adjusting these settings, just select advanced. Now we need to select the team which you want to use. So let's say I want to use this team. I just need to select it. After that we need to choose our role. So I'll just select head coach. After that, if you have any existing coach, you can just select him. Then just sign the contract and dynasty will be created. Now to invite the friends into our dynasty, we need to press R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox to switch over to the members tab. In members, we can just select invite users, then select the username option and enter your friend's EID or their username and send them an invite. Once they accept your invite, they should be able to join your dynasty. You can also invite your friends from your friends list and they can join the dynasty. Once they have accepted your invite, you can just select their profile from here and adjust their role as well. So this is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.